Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you're having trouble with joining Roblox games, here are a few tips and solutions that I can give you. So first things first, let's check your internet connection. Open your web browser and run a speed test to ensure your internet is performing well. You can use tools like speedtest.net. If your connection seems slow or unstable, try restarting your router or modem. Simply unplug it for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and wait for it to reconnect. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to a wired connection if possible. Ethernet cables usually provide a more stable connection. Sometimes the issue might not be on your end. Roblox servers could be experiencing problems. Just simply visit status.roblox.com to check if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance. If there is a server issue, there's not much that you can do except for to wait. And another possibility is that a game server you're trying to join is full or set to private. Check the game page to see if the server is at full capacity. Sometimes, games with high player counts may not let you join until space opens up. If the game is set to private or friends only, you won't be able to join unless you've been invited by the game's creator or a friend. Your Roblox account settings might also be a factor. Let's make sure everything is configured correctly. Log into your Roblox account and go to the settings page. Under the Privacy tab, check your privacy settings to make sure you're not restricted from joining games. Ensure that who can join me in game is set to everyone or friends if you want to join games with those settings. Also, make sure your account is in good standing and not restricted. Sometimes account restriction can affect your ability to join certain games. An outdated Roblox client or web browser can also cause issues. Make sure Roblox is up to date. Roblox updates automatically, but if you're experiencing issues, try reinstalling the Roblox client to ensure you have the latest version. Update your web browser if you're playing Roblox through a browser. Browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge should be kept up to date for the best compatibility. Sometimes clearing your browser's cache and cookies can resolve issues with loading Roblox games. Open your browser settings and find the option Clear Browsing Data or History. Select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Image and Files to clear these items. This can help resolve issues caused by corrupted data. And if you're still having trouble with Roblox, you might need a fresh install. Simply uninstall Roblox from your computer and then download it again from the official Roblox website. And there you have it. Hopefully one of these solutions has helped you get back into your favorite Roblox games. Thank you for watching.